Welcome to this video where I will reveal the top products to dropship in 2025. With 2025 just starting, increasing your sales and growing your dropshipping business is definitely one of the achievable New Year goals. One that could mark the beginning of a life-changing journey. That's why I've used the Zik Analytics tool to gather the top products to dropship in 2025. These products are currently trending in the market, not overly saturated, offer high profit margins, and can be sold year-round, giving you the best chance to make 2025 your most successful year yet in dropshipping. So without further ado, let's start with the first product on the list. The first product on the list of the top dropshipping products for 2025 is the 5-in-1 hair styler. Devices that can easily enhance hairstyles are always popular online, especially on social media. From a marketing perspective, products like this are simple to promote. Just showcase the product in action or create a before and after video using the hair styler. With the right content, you can create a viral video in seconds and drive high quality free traffic year-round to your dropshipping store from platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Here's an example of a dropshipping store that's successfully selling this product. As you can see, the price for this product is €79.99, which is approximately $83. I'd say this is a quite reasonable price for a product like this that can have such a high impact on someone's life. By adding the URL of this dropshipping store to the Zik Store sales tracker, I can get a full X-ray view of this store. I do see it's a niche store specializing in hair stylers, and the product we're reviewing sold 209 times in the last 30 days. Now, by clicking on the product finder icon, Zik Analytics can locate an exact match or similar options for this product on AliExpress. So let's take a look at this product. Can you see the price? It's only $34.98 with free shipping. Because this is an electric device, I want to ensure customer satisfaction is high, and I can verify that by the 4.8 star rating customers have given this product, with 90 orders already made. Even better, this is the ideal AliExpress supplier for sourcing this item, as they offer it with 4 different country plug options. This allows me to expand my reach and offer the product to a broader audience. Now, let's see how much this dropshipping store is earning from selling this product. This dropshipping store sells this item for $83, including shipping. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, totaling $2.70. The price on AliExpress is $34.96. So the profit from each sale is $45.34. With 241 sales in the past 30 days, the store made approximately $10,926 in profit before ad and operational expenses. This store earned over $10,000 in profit from this product alone, and this product is sourced entirely from AliExpress. So if you want to have a dropshipping store specializing in prep products or are thinking about creating one, this product is exactly what you need. Meet the cat Groomer. Simply add it to your store and promote how easy it is to install into your home. Just place it at your cat's height and they'll enjoy unlimited scratches and grooming all day long. Here's an example of a dropshipping store that's successfully selling this product. In general, I can see that this sales page is very well designed. The videos on the page give a clear idea of how the product works and just a few seconds, making it incredibly easy to understand. The price for this product on the dropshipping store is 80 Canadian dollars, which is approximately 56 US dollars. By adding this dropshipping store's URL to the Zik store sales tracker, I discovered that this is a general dropshipping store selling various items without a specific niche. If you also have a general dropshipping store, selling the best performing products from this store can definitely boost your sales because you're basing your product selection on data instead of guesswork. So looking deeper, I see that the pet groomer was sold 96 times in the past 30 days. By using the Zik Product Explorer, I found the same product on AliExpress for just $31.46, including free shipping. Using the same profit calculator I showed earlier, this dropshipping store is earning about $22.50 per sale. With 96 sales in the past 30 days, that means this Shopify dropshipping store earned a total profit of $2,160. Not bad at all, don't you think? All right, before we continue with the next winning product on the list, are you enjoying this video so far? If so, show us some love by liking this video, and while you're at it, subscribe to our channel for more quality content to help boost your e-commerce operation. And if you want access to the same tool I'm using in today's video to skip the guesswork in your product selection, you can subscribe to Zik Analytics today for just $1 for the first week. So, what are you waiting for? Okay, the next item has the potential to become a best-selling product in your dropshipping store, the electric makeup brush cleaner. This product is perfect for anyone who uses makeup, and the trend for it on social media has only recently started. That makes now the best time to add this product to your dropshipping store. Here is an example of a dropshipping store selling this product. So as you can see, they're selling it for 15 pounds, which is approximately 20 USD. Using the Zik store sales tracker, I found that this store has sold this product 116 times, which is impressive. From what I can see though, the sales potential for this product is even higher because the market isn't oversaturated. Next, using the Zik product finder, I found this product on AliExpress. The price is only $8.87 plus $1.99 for shipping, making the total cost $10.86 for this AliExpress choice item. So let's break down the profit. This dropshipping store is earning $8.27 per sale after Shopify fees. With 110 sales in the past 30 days, their total profit before ads and operational expenses is approximately $909. The next product is one of my favorites, mainly because of the huge profit margins it offers. These card holder wallets with an AirTag placement are hot sellers, and marketing them is an achievable task thanks to their utility and appeal. So we can all agree that there are many card holder wallets on the market, but during my product research, I discovered that demand is skyrocketing for models that feature a placement for an AirTag. Here's an example of a dropshipping store selling this product. As you can see, they're selling it for 24 euros and 90 cents, which is around $27. This specific model includes a placement for an AirTag, making it convenient for customers who want to track their wallet in case it gets lost. Using the Zik store sales tracker, I found that this product was sold 61 times in the past 30 days. And when I clicked on the product finder icon, I found so many exact matches to source this product from. So here's one example. As you can see, this is the exact same product from the dropshipping store, and it costs just $4.43 plus $1.99 for shipping, totaling $6.45. The dropshipping store is earning $19.50 per sale after Shopify fees. With 61 sales in the past 30 days, their total profit is approximately $1,189. This is a fantastic example of a low-cost product that can be sold for high profit margins. Let's continue with the GPS theme by exploring the next product. The GPS tracking collar for pets. These days, having a product like this for your beloved pet is almost essential. With that mindset, this product can easily become a year-round bestseller, serving an important purpose for pet owners. Here's an example of a dropshipping store selling this product for $71.49. By scanning this store on the Zik store sales tracker, I found that this product was sold 67 times in the past 30 days. Check out this product on AliExpress. Look familiar? Well, that's because it's the exact same product, but with one big difference: the price. On AliExpress, it's available for just
$25.46 with free shipping.
Now let's move on to the fun part: calculating the profit. After Shopify fees and before ads and operational expenses, the drop shipping store is earning around $44 per sale. With 67 sales in the past 30 days, that means that this store made an impressive
$2,925
in monthly profit just by simple drop shipping from AliExpress. The next item is one of the most useful products I came across in 2024, and it's definitely going to gain even more popularity in 2025, and it's the portable toddler feeding chair. As you can see, this product is not only extremely practical, but also easy to market. From a marketing perspective, creating a video showcasing how it can benefit parents with babies is relatively simple and highly effective. I found a dropshipping store selling this product for $56.49, which seems like a reasonable price for a product like this because it's portable. So using the Zik Product Explorer, I found the same exact product on AliExpress. It's available for just $24.18 with free shipping. Now, let's calculate the profit this dropshipping store is earning from this product alone. The dropshipping store is earning approximately $31 per sale after Shopify fees. With 85 sales in the past 30 days, their total profit is around $2,635. This is a fantastic product for anyone looking to start 2025 strong with a unique high demand product. Okay, before I reveal the final top product to dropship in your store for 2025, don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate your support. We've reached the last product in today's video: the massage mat. Who would say no to a relaxing massage after a long day at work? That's where this massage mat comes in. It's not only practical, but also makes for a perfect year-round product with consistent demand. Here's a dropshipping store selling this product. The price? $103.49. Using the Zik store sales tracker, I discovered this product sold 75 times in the past 30 days. Now here's the amazing part. Check out how much it costs to source the exact same product from AliExpress. Can you see the price? It's only $46.45 with free shipping. That's less than half the price it's being sold for on the dropshipping store. The nice part about sourcing this product from this specific AliExpress supplier is that it offers the product with 4 different country electric plug options. This allows you to expand your reach, target a wider audience, and even increase your conversion rates. Now, let's break down the numbers. The dropshipping store earns approximately $53 per sale after Shopify fees. With 75 sales in the past 30 days, their total profit is about $3,975. There you have it, the top products to boost your sales in 2025. By using data instead of guesswork in your dropshipping business, you can build a strong and successful store by selecting top performing products with high market demand and maximizing your profit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and as always, keep moving forward. I'll see you next time.